everyone, I'm kicking off my outfit of the week. It is Sunday, and today I plan to drive about an hour to meet my friend. We're going to a flower and craft show and then having lunch somewhere. And I needed to dress appropriately for this occasion. So what do I do to dress something like that? I am wearing my new Stitch Fix sweater slash cardigan, Letty and Me. So it's working buttons down the front. It has these cute little stripes here on the sleeves. I'm wearing them with my straight leg jeans. They're supposed to be cropped, but as you can see, they're not cropped on me. These I received from a Trendsend, and I like them so much and the way they fit, I kept them. Do I need jeans? No, but these are a good length for when I need to wear sneakers, which is exactly what I decided to wear today since we'll be walking around. And I'm wearing my new sneakers tan from Dolce Vita, and I thought this kind of all went together. With it, I paired my tortoiseshell earrings that I've got a long time ago, maybe Amazon. No, actually, I think this was a Trendsend. And a gold coin necklace that I also got from Eve. And yeah, this is a bracelet my friend gave me, and I'm actually wearing some rings today. I rarely put on rings. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carol and Her Clothes, day 2 of styling. So today is Monday and it's gonna be like a high of 69 today. It's very dark and overcast, so I'm sorry again for the quality of this video. I get best when there's natural sun. When I put on that ring light, it kind of blows things out and still makes things blurry, so I decided not to put it on today. What am I wearing today? Well, I was really excited to show you this outfit, and I was gonna have this whole spiel about how I don't get rid of things just because they're dated. If I love them, I'm gonna keep them and wear them. And that was true when this was hanging on the hanger. Now that I put this outfit on me, I decided I don't like it and it's not sparking joy for me anymore. So I'll show you the outfit. All right, first is this Vince Camuto blouse. All right, it has the dated crisscross front, which doesn't bother me. It has, I wouldn't say a large floral print, but it's fairly large. So I'll give you an example. Last year, everyone was like, oh, big florals are out of date. They age you, don't get them. Then they said, get the micro florals. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but this spring, it's the huge, big, in-your-face florals. If I like a floral, I like the pattern, I'll keep it. I'm not a big fan of big, bold florals, but I do like a floral. So that wasn't the reason why I wasn't gonna keep this top. So I put this top on, and it's actually too tight. I'm like, what the heck is going on? It's really tight here in the arms and in the back. So that alone was just like, oh, that's not great. All right, then the whole crisscross here in the front and the blousiness and the high-low together, I'm like, yeah, I think it's time to get rid of this blouse. And then as I was drying my hair, I looked down, and in the side here, there's a pleat. You won't be able to see it. There's a small stain. So now I'm like, this has got to go. So I am not thrilled with my outfit, so unthrilled with it today. I'm probably going to, at some point, if I have time, change it. If I do, I'll try and show you the new outfit. But the pants. I was one of the few pants that I kept that are skinny. And I think this is their last wear for them. So these are by Liverpool. Oh, and the blouse I got years ago, I think at Nordstrom, like 2018. The pants are definitely from 2018. They were one of my first Stitch Fixes purchases. They're Liverpool. They are the pull-on jegging style with the band. I kept them because 1, I like olive, and 2, they were a good fitting pant. And the style just seems a little bit dated for me, that the whole jegging style and glued to me. And these don't really bother my calves that much because there is so much stretch in them. But I think it's just time to pass on these. So the shoes are by a name brand called Steven. Again, circa 2000, probably maybe even 16, 17. I think I'm going to still keep these. I don't think there's really anything horrible about them. They're a good in-between shoe now when you want to stick out your toe, but maybe not want to have your whole foot exposed. And yeah, that is my outfit for today. Sorry it's not more exciting and not more on trend, but I was actually really, really excited to wear this blouse this morning. And I'm like, oh, I love this blouse, mint green. There's so many few times I can wear a long sleeve mint green blouse. And then once I put it on, I'm like, nope. not sparking the joy I hoped it to have. So that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, 7:15 in the morning. Got back from the gym, took my shower, and I am beat, as I say every morning. I don't sleep well these days. It's that time where I sweat all night, then I get cold, and then I sweat again. So I'm sure a lot of you know exactly what I'm talking about. Tomorrow, I actually have to go to the office, and I'm debating what I want to wear to the office. At first, I pulled out a dress, and I'm like, oh, I gotta commute, I gotta wear a dress. So I'm thinking now a pair of comfy black pants and a top. So I guess you'll be surprised as to what I will wear tomorrow. But I'm not looking forward to that. And because it's a long commute, it's an hour drive from my house, I decided going to the gym that morning is just too much. And isn't that funny how things are? Because I used to always go to the gym before I did my hour commute to work. But now it's like, oh, that sounds like too much. All right, what am I wearing today? So this outfit's a little bit better than what I was wearing yesterday. This blouse, it is 100% polyester. It is smocked throughout here. I got this blouse from Ann Taylor, not Loft, but Ann Taylor, probably 2 years ago now. I do like this blouse, not getting rid of it. It is my only gingham item, I believe. So to take a look at, it's very, very faint. It's like a gray blue periwinkle. So it's almost a periwinkle, but it's so muted, it almost has a gray in it. And that's pretty much the only gingham that I will wear when something is muted and you know, subtle. Jeans I am wearing from Loft. They're a wide leg crop style, had them a couple years now. And my shoes I purchased right around the pandemic time, again, when I thought we were going back to the office. These are Vince Camuto, and again, these shoes are kind of good for that in-between weather because it covers up most of my foot but allows my little toesies to stick out. So these are a good spring shoe. And that is my outfit for today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday at 6:30 in the morning. I have to go to the office for the first time in a couple years to see my boss. This is I think our second meeting, and the reason why I'm meeting him today is because he is meeting now his boss, and me as well, for the first time. So what am I wearing for this occasion? I was gonna go wear a dress, but it got a little cool out, and plus I just didn't feel like wearing a dress. So I'm wearing a pair of black Ponte knit pants by Democracy. They kind of look like a trouser versus a knit, but super soft and comfy for my long ride. With it, I have a White House black market jacket. It is very old, still fits. That's the military style with the buttons and like a tie wrap here on the side. And this is also an extremely stretchy jacket like it as well. I got on a pair of like slingback peep toe, I guess you would call these pumps. Regular pumps don't work for me, but slingbacks do. Don't ask me why. So the slingback will stay on my foot. A pump keeps slipping off my foot. Don't know why. I'm not going to take off my jacket. Maybe I'll show you this top at a later time. This top is by INC. It is a taupe color and it's actually all eyelet. So if I get warm, I can take the jacket off and it's a pretty top. I just decided to put the jacket on because I'm going to be driving and it is cold out right now. And yes, I'm wearing my glasses. I wear my glasses when I drive or anytime I actually need to see any kind of distance. So this is my outfit for today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, I'm back to my routine today. Got up, went to the gym, and I'm in my typical work from home mood. It is 7:45 a.m. And today I wanted to keep it comfy and casual since I had to dress up to the office yesterday. So today I am wearing this, I'm gonna call this color Cantaloupe sweater that I got in my Stitch Fix last year. Love this sweater. Part of the reason why I returned the orange little blouse from Trendsend is because I had this sweater, and getting that in my Trendsend triggered me to pull out this sweater and wear it. I decided to wear them with the very casual, looser fitting boyfriend jeans. I have to say they're looser fitting around my legs. They're not so looser fitting up here in my tummy area. So it is what it is. I decided to make it look a little bit more complete by adding a belt, and I'm wearing my super comfy espadrille sandals. They're by Me Too, that I also received in a Stitch Fix, I believe, last year. And my necklace is from Amazon, and my earrings I purchased on my own from Freestyle. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day. Hello everyone, it is Friday, finally, yay! Thank God it's Friday. So what am I wearing for this day? So I pulled out this Nation LTD top that I've been dying to wear as soon as it got warmer. It has like poplin puff sleeves, pretty dramatic, with an elasticized cuff here. And the fun part is in the back. Hopefully you don't see my bra. I did notice earlier it was poking through and I kind of readjusted it, so hopefully you don't see that. But I like the opening in the back. The front is just a plain old t-shirt material. I paired them with my level 99 pants that I got from Poshmark in this nice pretty blue. Super stretchy, super comfy. If you're not on the level 99 bandwagon yet, get on it. They're great. They're so comfortable. I put on a belt because I'm a belt person. I sometimes look in the mirror and I'm like, something's missing here. I'm like, needs a belt. So I grabbed the belts with it. I got this, it's like an off-white belt that I got from White House Black Market years ago. And I got on my Sanctuary slide-on mules. And that is my outfit for today. Take care. Tomorrow will be my last day of styling for the week. Hello everyone, it is Saturday. Hooray for Saturday. So today I stayed home from the gym. My legs are screaming from the last couple of workouts. Instead, I got up my usual time and made my peppers, and I did a video for you, and I put away some laundry, and here I am now. Today it's gonna be in the mid-70s, and I have plans to meet Theresa Renee. Many of you might know her. She has her YouTube channel, which I will link below. We're gonna go shopping together. She's about probably like an hour and a half from me. So I'm heading down that way in just a bit. What am I wearing for this? I am wearing a White House Black Market. It's kind of a polo top. It is like a blue and a cream colored stripe. It's a sweater material that is ribbed. I hope you can see that. I believe this is still on their site. They have it in a couple solid colors too. I'm wearing it also with their cargo jeans, which are a tad long on me. That does not bother me. Hopefully it doesn't offend you too much. I am wearing it with a very comfortable pair of espadrilles because we plan to do a lot of walking. And I got on my earrings from Front Door Fashion and a Kendra Scott layered necklace in silver. And that is what I am wearing today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for a new week of styling.